Yo, what's up everybody? It's 4 Best Picks back with another video, and today we're diving deep into the world of high-performance gaming PCs. We're talking top-of-the-line specs, buttery smooth frame rates, and enough power to melt your face off, virtually of course. Over the past few months, I've had the opportunity to put over 300 gaming PCs through their paces, from budget builds to these absolute monsters. And let me tell you, narrowing it down to just 4 was no easy task. But after countless hours of testing, benchmarking, and straight-up gaming, I'm confident that these 4 PCs represent the absolute best of the best in 2025. Now, I'm not gonna lie, these machines come with a premium price tag. But trust me, when you experience the raw power and performance they deliver, you'll understand why they're worth every penny. So, let's get right into it. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. First up, we have the CyberpowerPC Gamer Master. Now, this PC is an absolute beast, packing some seriously impressive hardware under the hood. We're talking about an AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor, clocked at a blazing fast 4.1 GHz. That means you can expect lightning-fast performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing videos. And speaking of gaming, this bad boy comes equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti graphics card with 8 GB of dedicated video memory. That's more than enough power to handle even the most demanding AAA titles at high settings with smooth frame rates. Trust me, you'll be blown away by the visuals. But it's not just about the processor and graphics card. The CyberpowerPC Gamer Master also comes with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and lightning-fast load times. And with a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, you'll have plenty of storage space for all your games, applications, and files, all while experiencing insanely fast boot times. Now let's talk about connectivity. The CyberpowerPC Gamer Master comes standard with Wi-Fi, so you can easily connect to your home network without any hassle. And of course, it runs on the latest Windows 11 Home operating system, giving you access to all the latest features and security updates. But here's the best part. The CyberpowerPC Gamer Master comes in at an incredibly competitive price point of just $1,499.99. That's an insane value for the performance you're getting. If you're looking for a powerful gaming PC that won't break the bank, the CyberpowerPC Gamer Master is definitely worth considering. Next up, we have the Skytech Rampage Gaming PC Desktop, and let me tell you, this machine is an absolute monster. We're talking next-level performance here, folks. Inside this beast, you'll find a Ryzen 7 9700X processor, clocked at a blistering 3.8 GHz. That's a lot of cores and threads to chew through any game you throw at it. But the real star of the show is the NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti graphics card, with a whopping 16 GB of GDDR7 memory. This thing is an absolute beast when it comes to graphics processing, delivering stunning visuals and silky smooth frame rates, even at the highest resolutions. We're talking 4K gaming without breaking a sweat, and to complement all that power, the Skytech Rampage comes loaded with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, ensuring that your system stays responsive, even when you're running multiple demanding applications simultaneously. And with a 1TB Gen 4 SSD, you'll have lightning-fast load times and plenty of storage space for all your games and files. But Skytech didn't stop there. They also included an 850-watt gold PSU, providing clean and efficient power to your entire system. And to keep things cool under pressure, the Skytech Rampage features a 360mm ARGB AIO cooler, ensuring optimal performance, even during those intense gaming sessions. And of course, you get all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a high-end gaming PC, including built-in Wi-Fi for seamless connectivity, and the latest Windows 11 operating system. Now, all this power and performance does come at a premium. The Skytech Rampage will set you back around $2,399.99. But trust me, if you're looking for the ultimate gaming experience, this PC is worth every penny. Moving on to the MSI Vision Elite RS gaming desktop. And let me tell you, this machine is in a league of its own. This is for those who demand the absolute best, those who want a PC that can handle anything and everything they can throw at it. Under the hood, you'll find an Intel Core i9 14900KF processor, one of the most powerful CPUs on the market. This thing is an absolute monster when it comes to processing power, capable of handling even the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing 8K videos, or running complex simulations, the Vision Elite RS can handle it all without breaking a sweat. And when it comes to graphics, MSI didn't hold back. The Vision Elite RS is equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 Super, the top-of-the-line graphics card from NVIDIA. This thing is an absolute beast, capable of delivering mind-blowing visuals and buttery smooth frame rates, even at the highest resolutions. We're talking 4K gaming at 120 Hz or even higher, with all the bells and whistles turned on. And to keep all that power in check, MSI has implemented a robust liquid cooling solution, ensuring that your components stay cool and perform at their peak, even under the most demanding workloads. And with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a lightning-fast 2TB M2 NVMe SSD, you'll experience blazing fast load times and seamless multitasking. Of course, the MSI Vision Elite RS comes with all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a premium gaming PC, including USB Type-C ports for fast connectivity, VR-ready capabilities for immersive gaming experiences, and the latest Windows 11 Pro operating system for enhanced productivity and security. But all this power and performance comes at a price. The MSI Vision Elite RS is the most expensive PC on our list, coming in at a cool $6,248. But if you're looking for the absolute best of the best, a PC that will push the boundaries of what's possible, then the MSI Vision Elite RS is worth every penny. Finally, we have the OMEN 35L Intel Gaming Desktop PC, and this one's a bit different. While the other PCs on this list are pre-built systems, the OMEN 35L offers a high degree of customization, allowing you to fine-tune the specs to perfectly match your needs and budget. And trust me, the customization options here are impressive. You can choose from a range of cutting-edge Intel processors, starting with the powerful 14th Gen Intel Core i7 14700F and going all the way up to even more powerful options. And when it comes to graphics, you're spoiled for choice with options ranging from the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 to even more powerful GPUs. But it's not just about the processor and graphics card. The OMEN 35L also allows you to customize the RAM and storage options. You can choose up to 64 GB of DDR5 5600 MHz RAM, ensuring that your system can handle even the most demanding multitasking workloads. And with support for dual 2TB M2 PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSDs, you'll have lightning-fast load times and plenty of storage space for all your games, applications, and files. And the best part? The OMEN 35L starts at a surprisingly affordable price point of around $1,100. Now obviously, the price will go up as you start adding more powerful components, but even at the higher end, the OMEN 35L offers incredible value for the performance you're getting. So, whether you're a casual gamer looking for a solid PC that won't break the bank, or a hardcore enthusiast who demands the absolute best, the OMEN 35L has something to offer everyone. Its combination of cutting-edge hardware, extensive customization options, and competitive pricing makes it one of the most compelling gaming PCs on the market today. So there you have it, guys. Those are my picks for the top 4 gaming PCs of 2025. From the raw power of the MSI Vision Elite RS to the customizable performance of the OMEN 35L, there's a PC on this list for every type of gamer. Now I know what you're thinking, these PCs are expensive, and you're right, they're definitely an investment. But here's the thing, a high-end gaming PC is more than just a computer. It's a portal to another world, a gateway to immersive experiences that you just can't get anywhere else. So, if you're serious about gaming, if you want to experience the latest games the way they were meant to be played, then I highly recommend checking out one of these incredible machines. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.